I think some people will say, well, you said generated by your efforts or so. So by my efforts, well, what if this person is doing something in the business or, what does that look like? What do they need to do for that to
Yeah.
qualify?
Yeah, it's really primarily your efforts, right? So yeah, one of the ways that you can kind of get around, I don't want to say get around the securities law. It seems like you're doing something nefarious or something, but where it would not be considered security is if it's you and maybe a couple other friends or buddies, and you're all kind of entering into a joint venture agreement. Everybody's doing some sort of, involved in the deal, maybe a third each. It'd be ideal if you contributed kind of an equal amount of money. In those scenarios, you're not really issuing a security, you're really starting a business. You, me, and somebody else gets together and we start a business. It's not a security. Now, you got to be careful with that because the SEC has come out and said, look, once you get to about 5 people, we're not really going to be trusting that all 5 people are going to be able to be doing something. Some people, I actually got a client, a potential client, who came in and had like 20 people and they all wanted to be active. And I'm like, that's going to be a really hard sell, if not impossible sell to the SEC, because there's going to be at least one person that ends up doing very little work, and that's going to trigger a security for at least that one person. So there are ways, quote unquote, around it, but it has to do with really treating it as a business, and we're starting a business as opposed to accepting money. And of course, if you're doing that, you're not taking any sponsor fees or any asset management fees, because why would you? You're just starting a business.